Okay guys, so I'm doing it. I'm trying this rice water out. I've been dealing with a lack of protein significantly in my hair. I'm definitely gonna show you some pictures or some clips at least of just pieces of my hair that are just not having it lately. I'm definitely gonna see if this rice water can strengthen my strands and thicken them back up, or whatever voodoo magic this is. And I'm of course gonna share it with you guys. Okay, so I definitely think that it should be clarified that the rice does not grow your hair, it's a protein. So it's strengthening your hair and just preventing breakage, which in turn should help your hair grow. I don't know why it started that just spraying this stuff in your hair will make it grow thousands of inches. It's more of a deeper science. I'm gonna link some videos down below that go deeper into it so you're not doing this thinking your hair's gonna be down your back in like 2 days. No boo-boo. So I've had this rice water sitting in my fridge since Thursday, and it is now Sunday. And as you can see, I did not put any fruit slices or things like that in here, so it's gonna smell how it's gonna smell. This is white rice, but it is organic, and I got it from Aldi, so who really knows, really? The reason why I didn't add any essential oils or fruits or things is because I kind of just wanted to see if it really does stink that bad, and since it's organic, I didn't feel like it would stink that bad, but we shall see. Okay, yeah, so this doesn't stink. It smells like rice. So, okay, so maybe organic doesn't smell as bad. Oh, it just dripped on me. Okay. Just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna add some essential oil to it just to be better than this smell, even though I am just gonna rinse it out. All right, I have some lavender drops right here. Oof. I like that smell. Now, my plan for the rice water is to use it weekly for a month and see how it does. I'm gonna definitely take some before and after pictures just in case you guys do wanna see if my hair grows or anything, but my whole point of using it is for the protein and strengthening some strands I have near my hairline and kind of in the back behind my ear that are just weak as hell. So hopefully this helps. The plan is to use it as part of a rinse, but it's gonna be a deep conditioner. So I'm gonna put this on my hair with a spray bottle and then put my deep conditioner, let that sit for a few minutes and rinse it back out. I plan to do this once a week, preferably probably on Sundays with my regular wash day. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm worried that it might be too much protein or not enough protein. So this is actually a lot of water. I probably don't even need all of this, but better more than less, honestly. So let's see how this goes. This is my first wash day with rice water. Okay guys, so here I am freshly washed out the shower and my hair is really wet, but we're ready to go for the rice water and a deep conditioner. So my deep conditioner of choice is the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask, which of course, if you've been paying attention, that has been the mask that I've been using these past few wash days. And oh, I shampooed with the Pretty Strands shampoo, new line I've been trying out. Love it. Not sponsored, but I do love it. It has no sulfates, parabens, any of that crazy stuff in it, and it smells amazing. We're just gonna use this bottle as my rice water bottle, and then this white one just has warm regular water in it. So I didn't think this through. This actually might get all over the place. Definitely didn't think this through. Okay. Ooh, I put too much lavender. All right, and we still have a ton left if needed. All right, let's do our regular sections. Oh, before we get started, let me show you the areas of concern that I have. So right here we have these pieces that are just very stringy. They're doing good today, but they're very stringy. As you can see here, I cut part of that off, but they're not as coily as the rest of my hair, and I can tell this is just from lots of tension. Here's some more pieces right here. As you can see, they're just like get thick and then they thin out, and it's not heat damage. It's definitely from just lots of tension and going to bed with wet hair and wrapping it in a towel too tight. When will I learn? This piece in the front that's acting up. It's very thin. It's coming together, but then it thins out. So I just want to give those ends some love. Okay, we're gonna work with this section first. I have not detangled yet, so I'm gonna do some now, a little bit. Rice water, freezing. Woo! Alright, I don't know why I'm acting like it's gonna do something right now at this moment, but it's supposed to do better after a couple of treatments. Alright, now we're gonna go in with the conditioner. Now you can definitely just, if you've been hip to rice water, or if you haven't, you can definitely just spray the rice water all over your head, let it sit for like 20 and 30, and then rinse that out, and then do your deep conditioner, and then however long you put that in, and then rinse that out. But we're trying to kill some steps here, and from my little research that I've been doing, there's no major difference between this way or the longer way, so. Okay. I can see the concern for the smell, like you don't want this like sitting in your hair if it stinks. I can totally understand that. But essential oils is definitely the way to go. My whole room is about to smell like lavender. So, but organic rice has no scent that I'm noticing. It literally just smells like rice that's been sitting in water. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do all over my head. I'm not gonna make you guys watch that because that's boring. So I'll come back to you guys when I'm done with my whole entire head. Okay, so it's all in my hair and I have a ton left. So now we know for next time I don't need this much water. But I'm just gonna spray as much as I can in here, I guess. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 20-30 minutes, rinse it out, and then come back and share my thoughts. So hopefully this goes well. Whew. Okay, so sat under the dryer for about 25 minutes, and when I came from under the dryer, I did notice it was a little crispy on the ends right here, my edges, and a little bit near the top, but nothing that felt abnormal or concernable to be concerned about. Yeah. So as soon as I rinsed it out, I put my leave-in in, which was the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk, oldie but goodie. And I'm about to add some oil to it, to the ends, just a little bit. I'm just gonna use my Wild Growth oil. But ooh, this is still really wet. Let me get my trash can. Really hard doing your hair outside of the shower. I just want y'all to know. Hair does feel like it usually does after a protein treatment, so that's good. I washed it out in the twist I had them in, and they look pretty good. They feel good. They feel stronger. Ooh, that's so weird. From rice, y'all. Rice. That's crazy. I can understand the hype now. This came undone. Twist that back up. Oh yeah, I can definitely feel like something did something. And the aftermath is still sitting on my head. It's really easy to add into my routine. I would say that I'm definitely doing it in the shower next time. Only because my hair, because of the low porosity of it, does way better in the hot shower than me coming out and filming and showing it to you guys. So next time we'll be in the shower. I don't think it's gonna do anything crazy during the week, but I'll definitely like film it if it does. And definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to like see daily updates and how I feel about it, because I'll probably definitely be talking about it on there. So follow me on Instagram at NeliaBedilia. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, so I totally forgot to show you guys like a length check, just in case I do get some growth from this process. And I know everyone's all excited about how much length someone can get. So I already put my hair in twists for the week. I used the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. First time using it. So far, I do like it. I'm not having any issues. So keep you updated on that. I do have them going kind of back like this, but let's grab one from the back of my neck right here and measure. This one, and this one's a little longer. That's weird. All right, let's grab one from the side of my face. And from the middle. Here's how tall it is. And then coming down my face, it touches the bridge of my nose. And this side's all twisted up, so we're not gonna be able to do that, but there you go. So basically, around this area, I'll definitely do side-by-side videos when the time comes. But yeah, back to the video. So if you've used rice water before and you're a true believer, you're a true fan, leave your comments down below. I wanna know what it did for you. Are you gonna keep using it, and is it really worth the hype? Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, join the family, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.